Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by collecting the best reference files you already have, then import them directly into Notebooklm so the model learns your context. Once done, organize documents into topic folders and use clear file names. This reduces confusion during queries. Make sure to import core materials first, a syllabus, main article, and notes, because the system builds a retrieval space from initial inputs. This approach speeds relevancy and lowers noise. You'll get higher quality answers faster when the model has focused source material. You now focus on how to ask Notebooklm effectively. State your goal, constraints, and the format you want. For example, a 2-page summary or a list of action items. Once you see an answer, refine it by requesting sources, timestamps, or paragraph citations so you can verify claims. Make targeted follow-ups. Narrow the scope, ask for simpler language, or request alternative viewpoints. This iterative loop improves relevance and helps the model converge on useful, verifiable outputs for your workflow. You finish by exporting the polished content and validating critical facts against the original documents. Double-check page numbers or paragraph references. Once complete, consolidate notes into your preferred format and add metadata or tags for future retrieval. If responses seem off, reduce prompt complexity, re-import clean source files, or supply a short exemplar answer to steer the model. A reliable troubleshooting tip. Clear recent context and resend a minimal prompt with one verified source to isolate where errors originate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.